Hey, home cooks! Want to make your kitchen life easier? Check this out. Tip 1. Keeping herbs fresh can be a hassle. Treat them like flowers. Store them in a glass of water in the fridge, covered with a plastic bag. Freshness, guaranteed. Tip 2. Ever had a boiling pot overflow? Place a wooden spoon on top of the pot. No more messy boilovers. Tip 3. Cutting cherry tomatoes one at a time? Try this hack. Sandwich them between two lids and slice all at once. So easy. Tip 4. Need to ripen avocados quickly? Pop them in a paper bag with a banana. They'll be ripe in no time. Tip 5. Struggling with garlic peels? Just toss your cloves in a jar, close the lid, and shake like crazy. Ta-da! Perfectly peeled garlic. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more genius tips and keep cooking like a pro.